Welcome to Week in IT, a production of Converge 360. I'm your host, Gladys Rama, with a bird's eye view of the week's top enterprise tech news, as researched, written, and curated by our human editors and narrated by AI. First, Microsoft is expanding its security Copilot product with AI agents designed to protect organizations against cyber attacks. As we reported on redmondmag.com, Microsoft is releasing 6 new built-in agents and 5 partner-developed agents to automate tasks like phishing response and vulnerability remediation. These agents will enter public preview in April, operating under Microsoft's Zero Trust security framework. Microsoft also said it's rolling out improvements to Defender, Entra, and Purview, all aimed at strengthening protections for generative AI. Next, as reported on adtmag.com, a new survey by Azul reveals that 83% of US CIOs are blowing past their cloud budgets, spending an average of 30% more than planned. Despite this overspending, 80% still report overall cost savings from their cloud investments. The survey of 300 CIOs shows that while cloud adoption continues to surge, with most organizations running more than 60% of their workloads in the cloud, executives and boards are increasingly scrutinizing rising costs. To manage expenses, CIOs are turning to optimization tactics like modernizing workloads and using cloud provider cost management tools. Next, some cloud security news from AWS Insider. A new report from Tenable highlights significant security risks in cloud AI services, particularly in Amazon SageMaker. The report found over 90% of organizations using SageMaker have root access enabled in at least one instance, creating unnecessary security risks. Tenable also discovered that 70% of cloud AI workloads contain at least one unpatched vulnerability. On top of that, 14% of organizations using Amazon Bedrock don't explicitly block public access to AI training buckets, making them susceptible to data poisoning that could skew model results. In case you missed it, one of the biggest enterprise AI events of the year, NVIDIA GTC, just wrapped up. NVIDIA announced several major cloud AI partnerships, as we reported on Virtualization and Cloud Review. For example, HPE expanded its private cloud AI, integrating support for the NVIDIA AI Data Platform. Oracle is integrating NVIDIA AI Enterprise with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, providing customers with native access to over 160 AI tools. Meanwhile, NVIDIA and Google are collaborating on agentic and physical AI initiatives for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and energy. Finally, there's a new term for the AI-powered development era, vibe coding. This is when developers let AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot do almost all the typing work when building software. First coined by a co-founder of OpenAI, vibe coding is a conversational approach where programmers provide natural language descriptions while AI generates the actual code. There's already a lot of debate about the practice, with some developers embracing it while others worry about its implications for code quality and maintainability. You can read all about it on Visual Studio Magazine. And that's a wrap for this edition of Week in IT. Thanks for listening. Make sure you check out all the articles discussed today in the description box below, and tune in next week for more enterprise tech news from the editors of Converge 360.